So Arif, thank you so much for joining us here today. Obviously, you're the Managing Director of FL Technics LLC in the UAE. Can you give us an overview of the current MRO market right now in the Middle East?
Thanks, Michael, for first of all to have me over here. Well, the current market in the MRO, it is a bit challenging for everyone. As you might aware, the airline after the COVID going over than 100% plus to go back to their operation in terms of increasing networking and their fleets, etc. So we go in line. Their challenge, the airline challenge, is our challenge, where we need also to expand alongside with our airline customer. So the challenges is, it's globally, of course, the certifying engineer. And second thing is capability, increasing the capability, which is most of the airline start also to upgrade their fleets, changing the type of aircrafts, etc. And link, of course, with the OEMs, delay of the aircraft, which is take the airlines to the direction of and somehow changing the type of aircrafts, and we have to prepare for that. So basically, the airline challenges is reflecting in our, of course, MRO challenges as well.
You've spoken about the challenges. There's also a number of opportunities that are there in the market, and especially for you, you've got some exciting developments that are happening right now in Dubai South. Can you speak more about that, and what are some of your focuses in terms of development right now?
Well, the Dubai South was planned a while back, and we know the growth of the cargo fleets in DWC airports, which is the second airport, whereas it's 100%, all the freighters will move to Dubai South. And we are, as a provider, one of the third-party maintenance, lead maintenance third-party provider. We would like to positioning ourselves in the big hub of network of the airline. So basically, the idea was a couple of years before, that's we expanding, where we initially start in the DXP Dubai Airport. And then, of course, we built our base, the main base in Abu Dhabi, where we are look after with Abu Dhabi as a main customer, plus another airline in Abu Dhabi. And then, of course, through the networking and the conference we attend and visiting the airline, we are maintaining another airline as a local carrier. Plus, of course, there is a number of airlines in the pipeline. So basically, Dubai South, we've seen it from long perspectives and long terms. It will be another hub mainly for the cargo and a future, of course, for the passenger once the new airport establish in 10 years from today.
What's your forecast as FL Technics, within the UAE, and as well as your forecast and outlook on the MRO market, in 2025 and, the few years to come ahead?
Well, Michael, we have a strategy plan to growth in the region. So gradually we start to expand our business and our coverage in UAE. And a part of this, we start to expand as well to the GCC region and then the Middle East, of course. So we have 5 years plan to expand, and the target this year is number of increase. So basically the target was five stations, where we reach already 3, and we have two more to go in 2025. And hopefully by next 5 years, there will be good number of expansions in terms of new stations, plus another services where we would like to also increase it, and it will be in the line of the MRO business.